My name is Syed Hani Ali, registration number SP21 BCS 044, and I'm from section B1. And the topic of my presentation is Impact of British Rule in India. Let's start by the overview. British came to India for their business and profit, but on seeing the incapable government of India, which was Mughal Empire, they slowly took over Indian subcontinent. The British ruled our Indian subcontinent between 1858 and 1947. The British rule over India left many impacts in India. Let's take a overlook of the impacts of British rule in India. British rule over India totally changed the Indian system and way of daily living. The British rule affected India in many ways. British being discrimination in India, dividing different religions in India, and took away Indian wealth. But they also benefited Indians by bringing new and modern methods, ways, and system. There were positive as well as negative impacts of British rule in India. So the question arises, was British rule better than the Muslim rule? If we take a look of Indian history, we will come to know that British rule in India was better in some aspects as well as it was non-beneficial for Indians in other aspects. So the first perspective would be, the British rule was better than the Muslim rule. This is because of the modern learning, technology and research-based improvements which they brought to India which were not before. The Muslim rule could not build India strong because they did not upgrade Indian lifestyle and learning with the world of advancing technology. The second perspective would be, the British rule was bad because it badly affected the Indian state. They forced Indians to adopt English language for jobs and services. They also took lands from landlords of that time. India stagnated at a low economic level because of British economic exploitation, replacement of Indian industries with the British industries, high taxation, and the drainage of wealth to Britain. We can divide the impacts of British rule into two parts. Number 1, positive impacts. Number 2, negative impacts. Positive impacts were those impacts which brought improvement and prosperity to the Indians, while the negative impacts were those impacts which brought hurdles and difficulties to the Indians. Let's talk about the positive impacts first. British brought modern learning and modern ways of living in India. So there were a great number of positive impacts of British rule in India. Those were construction of railways, improvements and advancements in technology, research and learning got wider, introduction to commercialization of agriculture, free trade pattern, and development of infrastructure. So the first good for the Indian people was the construction of railways. 16th April 1853 was the date when first rail ran in India by British. First commercial train ran between Mumbai to Thane. The East India Company set up by British government constructed railways in India for communication and transportation purpose for the very first time. Another positive impact was advancements in technology and research. Basically, Indians had not made advancement in technology. They had same old-fashioned ways, tools and weapons. British totally imperialized India during their rule in India. India learned better technology such as war techniques, medicine and transportation from British. Learning and research in the field of science also got wider during the British rule in India. Another positive impact was introduction to commercialization of agriculture in India. The commercialization of Indian agriculture was initiated in India by the British through their direct and indirect policies and activities. Agricultural commercialization was a significant approach for improving the income of farm family. It became reason of improvement of market access and development. So another positive impact of British rule was free trade pattern. British introduced free trade policy patterns which removed restrictions and hurdles of importers and exporters. Trade got wider. There was a great rise in the trade between India and the other countries and within the India itself, providing better and quality goods with ease access. So another important positive impact was development of infrastructure in India. During the colonial period in India, the basic infrastructure such as water transport, buildings, railways, roads, ports, telegraphs, and ports were built. These constructions made the lives of Indian people easy, shortened their distances, and also provided them better ways of communication. Now let's talk about the negative impacts of British rule in India. In order to keep hold on Indians and do some self-benefit, British did some strict activities which made negative impacts in India. These negative impacts include loss of lives, damage the culture and the system, disunity among the natives, and the loss of natural resources and wealth of India. The first and the major negative impact was loss of Indian lives. When British took over India, they killed the people of Mughal Empire and they kept on killing the people of Mughal families. They also killed countless people related to the old government. They killed natives who ever strived against the British rule. So there was a great loss of lives during the British rule. The next negative impact was the damaging of Indian culture and system. British implemented laws and forced activities in order to keep control over the Indian natives. British changed their old system and enforced new rules on Indians. These rules damaged the Indian culture and their native system. So they had to lose their jobs due to the new fashioned British system. Official language was also replaced by English. Another negative impact was disunity among the Indian natives. To keep control over the Indian people, British used divide and conquer rule. British policies and activities divided the people of India. Religious discrimination got rise in India due to the British clever policies. Sects were also made during that time of period, and the Indians fought among themselves instead of struggling against the British government. Another negative impact of the British rule in India was the loss of natural resources and wealth of India. Colonial government utilized India's resources, revenues, agriculture, and industry not for developing India but its utilization in Britain. Indians were no more than slaves for the British. British had full control over India's economy, so it drained all of its wealth, sent diamonds and millions of rupees as illegal presents to Britain. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.